guys, welcome back to my channel for another vlog. I thought I would go ahead and vlog for you today. I don't have a ton of things going on. I feel like I haven't caught you guys up in a long time of what's been going on with my life and just the events that have happened in the past few weeks. So I wanted to bring you guys along my day with me today. And as you guys can tell by the title, I have a new little member of the fam. I do have a puppy here with me. Her name is Cutie. I really do want to keep her, and I've been trying to debate on whether I should or not. She's actually one of my clients' dogs, and she is 16 weeks old, so she's just a little baby, and I have absolutely fallen in love with her, and my dogs absolutely love her too. So I don't know, I'm very conflicted. I know that I probably shouldn't just because I have two dogs already, but she has been with me for the whole entire weekend, so this is the 4th day that I've had her. I'm gonna head over to my parents' house because my brother just got back from Arizona and he brought me my favorite drink ever. If you guys live in Tucson, then you would probably know what EG's is. If not, you're gonna have no idea what I'm talking about, but it is the most amazing drink. I will show you guys when I go over there. So this is Miss Cutie. Huh, yeah. So she's a little Yorkie. So Susie, you're blocking her view. So she weighs only 2 pounds, maybe 3, I'm not completely sure, but she's so tiny. So Zoe weighs like 7 or 8 pounds. And you can see the size difference between the two of them. She's so little. So this is Cutie little baby. She's my favorite. She's so cute. She does not want to be held right now, huh? Huh. Say hello. I'm so cute, huh? Yes. You guys will have to let me know what you think of this cutie little baby in the comments down below. I'm gonna put her down because she does not want to be carried at all. So I wanted to quickly chat with you guys about an app that I have been using for a while now to help save and budget my money. I get questions on the daily about what I do to save money and budget money and how I save to actually purchase my house. So the app that I'm talking about is Empower. It looks like this right here. When you do open it up, it is a Touch ID. So once you open up the app, this is what it looks like. I have it on the scramble mode, actually, as you can see at the top of the screen. So none of these numbers on the screen are obviously real. I just wanted to put it on this so that I could actually go through the app with you guys and kind of show you through it and what the app offers. So as you can see here, this is the home page. It has the overview of the amount of money you have. And then you can see here, I do have all of my accounts linked within the app. So I have my Wells Fargo accounts, I have my Best Buy credit card, I also have my Victoria's Secret credit card hooked up as well. And then I do have my loan for my house. So as you scroll down, you can see these little tabs right here. The thing that I really like about this app is that they will actually set up an auto save for you. So you can actually set it up to where it auto saves a certain amount for you every single month. This is such an amazing tool, especially if you are trying to purchase a home, and this really did help when I was saving to buy my home. Every time I would get paid, I would put a certain amount on autosave that it would take out every single month so that you don't consciously have to do it. It's just doing it for you, which I find is a lot easier than you doing it yourself. So next we have this tracking tab right here, which you can set up a monthly budget for dining and drinks. And then below that, it actually has this little percentage report for you, which kind of shows you where all of your money is being spent. So it breaks it up between housing, other expenses, dining and drinks, and groceries. And you can actually click into this and it'll tell you exactly, you know, where you spent your money, how much you spent, and everything like that. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see there's 3 different tabs. There is transfer, pay credit, and then history. So that is it for the home screen here. We are going to head on over to the left top of the screen. On this tab, you can update your credit score, and then right below that, that is your linked accounts. So as you can see, I have all of my linked accounts, my Wells Fargo, Best Buy, and Victoria's Secret. You can also add whatever account you have. They have so many different accounts that you can add. They have over 10,000. So the other nice thing about this app is that they actually will call to your phone provider, your internet and cable provider, and they will try to get your rates down. So they do all the work for you and help you save money. This app has been so crucial in the saving and budgeting process. Even now that I have moved into my house, I use this on a daily basis to help me budget and make sure that I'm not spending a ton of money every single month that I'm not supposed to be. So whether you guys are saving for a house or you are saving for just something in general, this app is going to help you tremendously. I 100% recommend this to everyone. You definitely need to try out this app if you don't already use a budgeting app or a savings app. I will make sure to leave a link in the description box down below. This app is completely free, so you can just click the link down below and download it. And if you guys do, you'll have to let me know what you guys think of it and if you feel like it is helping you budget and save your money. So I just finished filming, and I filmed a like PR mail unboxing collective haul. My beauty room is a freaking disaster, you guys. Like, it is actually embarrassing. I have stuff everywhere because I actually did a try-on bikini haul as well, which should be up. But yeah, this room is a little bit of a disaster. Hi, baby girl. You're so cute. Oh, yes, I love you. I love you. Headed to my parental's house. I've got all the pups in the car. It's kind of crazy to like even picture having 3 dogs, but this weekend has, I don't know, it hasn't been that bad. At first I was a little bit worried because she wouldn't go on my artificial grass outside. If you guys didn't know, I don't think I've ever even talked about it. She wouldn't go on artificial grass, so I had to take her to real grass. She does great. I mean, she's pretty good at potty training and everything so far. Every time I've taken her outside, she's done really good. Hello, Lola. Hello, you saying hello? But she's been doing really good with that, so I don't know. I know you guys are probably wondering like, why the heck do I have her and why was I saying that I want to keep her? My client that has her, that's her owner, is actually her second home. So someone had gotten her from a breeder for a really expensive price, and then she had given her to my client for $400. And long story short with my client, she just has a lot of health issues, and unfortunately she's just kind of trying to figure out if she can take care of the dog, and so she's potentially wanting to look for a home for this dog. But this weekend I was actually supposed to just be puppy sitting for her, and it just kind of turned into this like me potentially taking her, me finding her a home, just because she did get kind of sick this weekend, the owner. So that's pretty much the short story of it. I'm almost to my parents' house. So stoked to get my EG, but I just wanted to kind of update you guys. I also want to update you guys on a couple other things. In my last vlog that I put up, I let you guys know that my mom was actually having surgery. Today is her 2-week post-surgery day. So she's 2-week post-op. She's still in a decent amount of pain, which is to be expected, but surgeons did let us know that it pretty much went as planned. Everything went really well, and they are very hopeful that it's going to help my mom's situation. So we're very hopeful for that, and I just can't wait for the 6 to 8 week mark so that my mom's completely healed. We are going to be going to Mexico, which I've mentioned in my past bikini haul that I was telling you I just filmed yesterday. So we're going to be going there for my birthday, which I'm so excited about. We're going to Cancun, and my best friend from Chicago is coming with us, which I'm so stoked about as well. I'm not exactly sure if I ever told you guys this or not, but we actually had to put our childhood dog down. He was almost 17 years old. He would have been 17 in a couple weeks before we put him down, or after we put him down. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of update you guys on a few things. I am to my parental's house now, so I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and get my EG, and I'll chat with you guys in a little bit.
Whose doggy is that?
It's one of my clients' doggies.
Oh yeah, there it is. No,
Isn't she cute?
Yeah, did it see? What is that wetness there? Did she pee?
Where? Did she pee a little bit? Did she get excited?
I think so.
Mimi will clean it up.
Isn't she cute, guys?
Yeah.
Mostly they need that. Oh.
Does she like her little... The door's cute.
Yep, I'm gonna go get my EG.
Oh, yeah, for you, silly.
Dun 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 dun. Can't wait to get my EG. Oh my gosh.
Bye.
Thank you. Did you eat yours? Okay. She's tiny, huh?
And then can I? I can't see. Look at me. Mia, why are you so small? Jake, I think Jake doesn't. Now can I have to hold the doggy?
Yeah.
Why are you small, Charles? I'm not. I'm big. No, why are you puppy and you're small and the puppy's big?
All right, y'all. We are here to drop Cutie off. I'm so sad. I'll update you guys when I leave here on what's going on. But yeah, I'm really sad. But we're gonna take her in. All right, you guys. So I just dropped off the pup back to her owner, and me and my parents and my whole family practically just had like a talk about it, just because I am still undecided. Like, I haven't 100% decided if I am going to keep her or not. So I made the decision to bring her back to her owner right now and just kind of take a couple days to think about it. Just because my mom made a good point. Like, I've gotten so attached to her already, and she's gotten so attached to me that if I keep her for the next couple days and think about it while she's with me, I know that it's going to be pretty much impossible to say no, just because she's gonna be with me, and I feel like, I don't know, it's a lot, and it would be really hard for me to make my decision if she was with me. So I decided to bring her back, and I'm gonna give it a couple days and see how I feel. But anyways, I also wanted to thank you guys for 50,000 subscribers. I can't believe I haven't like mentioned that already. Really happy about that. Thank you guys again so much for all your love and support. I appreciate it more than you guys will ever know. I am so excited to see what 2018 brings and how much more our family will grow. So I just got home from my parents' house, and I apologize for not vlogging anymore at my parents' house, but it was pretty laid back night. I just went back to their house, ate some dinner, hung out with my brother and the kiddos, and then honestly fell asleep on their couch, which I feel like I usually do at their house. And then I came home, we just got back, and I am up in my beauty room because I need to try to clean some of this, and I also need to start laundry. It is 8 o'clock right now, so the Bachelor season finale is on, and I am so excited. I am going to end the vlog here, so I'm not going to mention who wins or anything like that, and it'll probably be like a week after it airs anyways. But you guys will have to let me know in the comments down below what you think of the winner. Do you like her? Do you wish it was the other girl? You'll have to let me know what your thoughts are. My puppy clearly wants my attention by making so much noise over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous. Want to say something? No? You just want to be annoying? But you're so cute. But you're so cute.